Once you've made your Fleur of England purchase online, a beautiful box will arrive with your Fleur of England bra inside. First thing to do is try it on in front of the mirror and make sure that it feels comfortable. Sam, how does your bra feel today?
Yeah, it fits well, it feels comfortable.
Fantastic. Now I have 4 tips and tricks for you to make sure you have your perfect Fleur bra fit. The first thing to do is to check the underbust. Make sure it feels comfortable around your rib cage and feels snug but not too tight. And then you should always put it on the middle hook and eye on the back here. You can see Sam's got it on. The bottom band of your bra should be parallel to the ground, should be straight. You should just be able to place 2 fingers up behind the hook and eye there. If you need to place any more than that, it means that your band size is too big and you need to go down a band size. So step 2 now is the straps. The straps should feel really comfortable on your shoulder. All our straps are silk encased elastic for extra comfort on your shoulder. They can also be adjusted to any sort of different body height that you might have. And what you should be able to do is you should be able to just slip your straps off, and then you can see that all the support is coming from the underbust on Sam, not from the straps, because it should be snug, because that is where most of your support comes from, not your straps. So step 3 is all about the cups. So it's really important that the neck edge sits nice and flat on your bust and that you don't get any double busting. If you're getting double busting, you need to go up a cup size. So step 4 is to check that your wire isn't digging in anywhere. It's really important that your wire doesn't dig into your breast tissue. So you can see here on Sam, it's not digging in. Her breast tissue is firmly inside the wire. And this part of her bra is sitting flat against her chest. If it's not sitting flat here, it means that you need to go up a cup size. It's really important that you regularly check and update your size just to make sure that you have your really good Fleur fit. Women fluctuate in size all the time through different periods of our life, so don't be afraid to reach out, ask for some advice, contact our lingerie advisors, and we can talk you through the stages. We're just happy to help in any way that we can.